You know what really grinds my gears? Those hiring a technical co-founder posts and job ads. Yeah, you've seen them. They're all over LinkedIn and Reddit like pigeons on a day-old bread. Looking to hire a technical co-founder to bring my vision to life. Equity only for now, but this is gonna be big. Big? The only thing big is your ego and the flaming dumpster fire of expectations you're trying to wrap in a hoodie and call a startup. You don't hire a co founder, you delusional vaporware evangelist. You don't post for one like it's a gig on Upwork. Must know Node.js and Rust and AI and blockchain and DevOps and design and preferably have no self respects or pay the bills. These posts are the Tinder bios of the startup world. Looking for someone emotionally available, financially independent, willing to do 100% of the work while I journal about being a visionary and take selfies with my hustle harder mug. Co-founder? You want a co-founder? That means you share everything. The stress, the risks, the wins, the breakdowns, the pizza bill, and the equity. You don't give them 5% like it's a party favor. You split it equally because you're building the business together, not hiring someone to do your homework while you call yourself a CEO because you filed a Delaware C Corp on LegalZoom. Oh, speaking of C Corp, don't act like your startup is some gold-plated prize. Right now, your shares are worth less than a moldy slice of Domino's. So offering equity only in exchange for full-stack engineering, DevOps, AI, blockchain, and a 60-hour work week is like handing someone monopoly money and asking them to build you a castle. And let's be real about your intentions here. You're not looking for a co-founder. You're looking for free labor. Just call it what it is, looking for free labor. You want someone to architect, build, test, scale, and maintain your dream while you vibe as a founder at brunches, tweet inspirational BS, and make a Canvas slides about your why. Here's a reality check. If you can't pay for development, you don't have a startup. You have a dream. And dreams are great. You should dream. Everybody should dream. But don't try to trap someone else in it just because you refuse to face the hard part of founding a company, which is finding money and making real decisions. So what should you do instead? It's really simple. Honestly, guys, it's really simple. Ladies and gentlemen, come on. Find a consulting CTO, a friend, someone who will advise you. Someone who's been there, done that, and still has a PTSD from a Kubernetes incident, a t-shirt from a failed exit. Pay them. They'll help you turn your fantasy into a roadmap, and there won't be any shame of you begging for help. Get their advice. Take it seriously. Build something small and real. Earn their respect. Or pay for it at the very least. And guess what? If you actually prove you're not full of it, if you show up, do the work, listen, iterate, get the users, and take out the garbage without whining, that consulting CTO might just become your co founder. Not because they answered your sad little equity begging job ad, but because you proved yourself to be a real founder, not just another dude in a Patagonia vest pretending to be Steve Jobs. And that, folks, that is what really grinds my gears.